Hello everyone, it's me again, Molly. It's time to learn some new Chinese idioms, and today I'm gonna talk about 盲人摸象, which means blind man and an elephant. Are you ready? Now let's begin. In ancient times, there were 4 blind men. They were curious to know what an elephant looked like. Since they couldn't see anything, they had no way but to touch an elephant. The fat blind man touched the elephant's teeth and said, "I see, an elephant is just like a big and thick radish." The tall blind man touched one of the elephant's ears and said, "You are wrong. An elephant is just like a palm leaf fan." "What nonsense are you talking about? An elephant is just a big pillar," the short blind man shouted, because he just touched a leg of the elephant. The fourth old blind man touched the tail and burbled, "Hey, how can an elephant be so big? It is just a straw rope." The 4 men quarreled with each other endlessly, and they all thought themselves were right. In fact, none of them was right and really knew what an elephant looks like. This Chinese story tells us that we can't draw conclusions from incomplete information. Okay, that's all about this idiom. If you like it, you can remember the story 盲人摸象. Now please read with me. 盲人摸象. Today's teaching is over, and next time I'm gonna talk about 亡羊补牢, which means it's never too late to take action. Thank you for your listening. See you next time. Bye!